As we've just come out of some of the worst protest action we've seen in South Africa and seen what the extent of looting and damage can come out of these kinds of efforts, a lot of my transport, operational and fleet clients asked me whether there were any ways in which you can avoid these kinds of attacks. I'm Stan Besaidon from IBF Investigations, and on this Thursday, 19 August 2021, at 2 o'clock, we will run an actual online virtual lecture on the ways in which you can avoid this kind of risk and how to respond to it. This will be a lecture for which you will get a certificate, and in order to go ahead and register, just visit bit.ly/tactical transport risk. I hope to see you there, and I promise that it will be packed with good information that you can use immediately.